In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find planets in the sky with the Skyview app on iPhone. Let's walk through the simplest way to locate any planet using Skyview, so you can step outside and know exactly where to look. Start by opening the Skyview app on your iPhone. When it loads, you'll see an augmented view of the sky with labels and orbits overlaid. To jump straight to a planet, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the magnifying glass icon. This search tool is the fastest way to zero in on what you want without scanning the whole sky manually. Inside Search, select the Solar System category. This section groups together the major planets and related targets, so you don't have to sift through constellations or deep sky objects. Next, tap All to see the full list, then use the search bar to type the name of the planet you're after. Jupiter is a popular choice because it's bright and easy to spot. As you type, Skyview will narrow the results and show you the target you want. At the top, you'll notice filters such as above horizon and below horizon. These are helpful for understanding whether the planet is currently up in the sky or still beneath the horizon from your location. If you only want to see what you can step outside and view right now, choose above horizon. If you're planning ahead or just curious about where a planet will rise, check below horizon to preview its position. Once you've found the planet you're looking for, tap it. Skyview will immediately guide you toward it. You'll see the screen highlight the planet's name and show an on-screen indicator that nudges you in the right direction. Gently move your phone, following the guidance, and let the app settle as it updates your orientation. Smooth, steady motions help the sensors stay accurate. When you're on target, the planet will be highlighted and centered, and you may see its orbit or additional details overlaid on the display. A couple of quick tips for the best experience. Hold your phone away from large metal objects that might interfere with the compass. Give the app a moment to stabilize if you've just changed direction. And remember that a planet marked below the horizon won't be visible yet, even though Skyview can still show you where it will be later. That's all there is to it. With Search, the Solar System category, helpful horizon filters, and a simple tap on your target, Skyview does the pointing and highlighting for you. Enjoy exploring the planets.